welcome back to my channel. Family, honestly, y'all gonna have to ignore my hair doing this because I'm like in work mode and I just can't, my hair is not of importance, so ignore that. All right, cool. Now, before we get started, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe. If you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. And this episode, we're on to our next piece, okay? We are on to our next piece, and this piece is just gonna be adding nylon to the sides of these jeans. And details, of course, will come later, but we're just worried about getting the pieces done. So these are the jeans. So basically, I'm gonna take a chunk of the jean out from the side, and we're gonna be adding these Adidas pants. We're gonna add the stripes from that to the side of those jeans. And this is nylon, you can see, so it's super comfortable. And then the bottom of these have a zipper as well. So I think that'll be a good addition to these jeans. That's not gonna take very long. So I'm gonna introduce y'all to two pieces we're gonna work on in this video, okay? So in this video as well, we're just gonna do a backless hoodie. I've done this before. This is just a regular hoodie, but we're gonna turn it into a backless hoodie. I've done this on my channel before. Maybe I'll link that video down below. But it's super simple, and I'm gonna change a few things differently. I'm gonna do a couple things differently than what I did last time I made this because it just didn't last. There was no longevity in it. So I want to make sure this time it lasts and it's actually really comfortable while also being backless. So we're gonna work on those two pieces for this video. This is not a tutorial. This is just me showing you the process of me creating these pieces. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. Back for day 2 of these 2 pieces I was working on. Let me show y'all what I got done last night. The backless hoodie is like 80% done, and I'm about to start on the pants today. So let me show y'all the hoodie real quick. And my camera about to die. Like, I wish I would have known that. Luckily, this Osmo camera takes like 15-20 minutes and you got a full charge. I love it. So I've taken the back out, as you can see. The only other thing I need to do back here is figure out how I want it to close in the back. I think I'm gonna just do like some thick ties to where you can tie it in a bow. I don't really want to do the eyelets because I did the eyelets last time and they just didn't last on the hoodie. So I need something that's gonna last, you know, stand the test of time. So I think I'm gonna just sew some ties on here, and it'll be like a tying it in a bow to close up the back when you're wearing it. And then I did the front So the front was super simple, and basically you just curved out the bottom to make it look corset like. So I did that, cut off the bottom. The pocket is still useful, so I didn't end up having to take that off or anything. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna put I don't know, like I said, I'm just trying to get the pieces done right now, and I'm still thinking about the actual details of it. I'm thinking about putting something down the arm, maybe a little name of the collection, and then dynamic on the front. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure. I also need to drop the freaking podcast so y'all can know the name of the collection. But you'll see the podcast before this one, so the name of the collection, you know if you know, okay? But yes, I'm about to move on to the pants. You guys will see that. You guys will see most of that, but I gotta let this camera charge, so I'll come back to y'all once we got some juice. This piece might be a bust, only because, as you can see in that clip, I cut through the wrong side of the freaking jeans, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fix that to where it looks good. So I don't know. I'm gonna finish it, but I just feel like this piece not gonna make the cut. But I'm about to just keep going. I'm gonna just keep going. I'll let y'all know. I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so I got that last piece finished, the pants, last night, and it looks pretty good. Of course, I got that little where I cut the pants. I have that slit right there, but I'm gonna fix it some way, somehow. So let me show y'all the piece, and this is just the base. Remember, we still gotta add details, but y'all just gotta wait for like the end of this series to where you see in the fashion show. You gotta wait for that, okay? This is the front of the pants. As you can see, like right here, we gotta get rid of that Adidas. We cannot have the Adidas, okay? This is not Adidas anymore. This is dynamic fashion. So this is the front, and let me show you the back. This is the back. Here's my mistake of where I cut the fabric. I don't know how I want to fix that yet. I really like the pocket detail though, how it goes over the nylon. I think it's super cute. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna fix this yet. I'm gonna probably have to just cut the other one and get creative to make it cohesive. I don't know. Yes, that piece is done. So far we have 3 pieces that are 90% done. They just need details, so that's cool, and we're about to move on to the next piece finally. So yeah, I'm about to start a new video, move on to the next piece, and I'll see y'all in the next episode. Bye.